Hi everyone, Zach from Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado. I hope everyone enjoyed their Thanksgiving holiday. Today is Black Friday. We'll soon be flowing into Cyber Monday here in a few days. So I do want to let you know we have a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale live on our website now. Website is shopouttherevans.com. I'll put a link to that in the description below of this video. But in this sale, we're offering 10% off all of our Out There Vans Baltic Birch wood products that we manufacture here in-house. That includes our dog platform lineup for the Sprinter, Transit, and ProMaster, our full door panel lineup of Baltic Birch door panels, also for those chassis, as well as our full hard-sided pre-assembled overhead cabinets. So head on down to the link in the description below to check that out. Additionally, you'll find some other products that might help out your conversion as well. So check out the full lineup of products on our website. The code will be Black Friday 2024. You can apply it at checkout. Now, this code is only valid through 11:59 p.m. on this coming Monday, Cyber Monday, and this video and that code will both self-destruct at that moment. As always, be sure to subscribe to Out There Vans for some nice van content ahead, and enjoy your holiday weekend.